Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a chain pull. So I've got my chain here, and this is the ball chain. Excuse my hands, I've just been mixing paint. It's the ball chain. You put a plug on the end of this in your bathroom. That's the chain. That is what we are going to use. So I've just got a piece of cardboard here, and I'm going to, I'm going to put the ball chain on here first. I am just going to cover that with paint. I hope you're all having a great day. For those of you who celebrate Easter, I hope you're having a good Easter. I'm just putting a variety of colors down here. Okay, let's see what else. Some of that. Some of this one. And what else? I can't get the lid on. Some of this one. And one more, I think, just to finish that off. Some of that. Okay, well that's fine. The chain is now all covered in paint. Okay, so I'm just going to move this off to the side. And now I'm going to cover my canvas with black paint. Okay. We can just cover the edges because I'm not going to be pulling the chain over the edges, so you can just cover them straight away. Okay, that's fine. Now, let's get started. Okay. Right, can you see it? No, you can't. Right, so all we do is we take the chain and we pull it off. Okay. Okay, let's get the next one. just don't like this bottom part. That's better. Wow. I really, really, really like it. Maybe I can just do this corner over here. Oops. And that's it. Wow, I really, really like that. Very, very cool. That is so, so pretty. I am going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Look at that. Isn't it so pretty and so colorful? Let me bring you down. Look at the patterns in there. Very, very cool. Like I said, I'm no expert at this yet, but I really do like the effects that you get. It's very pretty over there. Very, very, very cool. And some metallics in there. Really nice. Oh, I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as we created this really cool painting. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought of this painting. And yeah, please remember I do have a new website that I've just opened up. Details to the website are down in the description below. And all my paintings that I create in this channel are available to buy both in my new website and in my Etsy shop. I do still have my Etsy shop open also. So all the paintings created in this channel are available to buy there. Your support would be greatly appreciated. I do need to sell paintings to keep the channel going, so any help or support would be greatly appreciated. And that's it, everyone. I do not believe I will be doing a painting tomorrow, but I will be back next Saturday. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. And I will see you next Saturday, everyone. Bye.